In this video, we will show you how to set up the record schedule, controlling when to record and when to stop recording.
First, log in and open the Setup menu.
Go to Record. Then Record Schedule. By default, normal recording is enabled for all 24 hours of the day and 7 days of the week, which is represented by the light green blocks. In cases where you'd like to only record when there is movement on the camera and skip the recording when there is no movement, you can replace the light green time blocks like so. With the yellow motion blocks. Doing this can conserve the storage spaces the recordings take up and greatly extend the coverage. The recordings can then last for weeks or sometimes even months, depending on how frequently there is movement on camera. You can also assign different recording types to different time slots. For example, if I want normal continuous recording from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and motion-only recording between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. The record schedule blocks will look like this. If you prefer to further optimize storage spaces, to have recordings only when an AI event triggers and nothing else, simply clear out all time blocks. Make sure you have AI detection properly configured. And under AI, alarm menu for your specific detection type. The record toggle is turned on. This is all you need for AI recording. Remember, these settings are per channel. Repeat for other channels if needed. Thanks for watching.